Hey guys, it's me again, Mufuya Fituritsu. So, everybody's doing okay? Is it good? Is it bad? I hope it's good because we'll be leaving 2019 and enter new year, 2020. What's your thought about this year? Comment down below if you got some achievement in your life. I know I do. And it was awesome! Yes! Anyway guys, before ending this year, I would like to make another product review. Plextone gave to me another of their awesome product. So this is Plextone G25 Variable Sound Gaming Earphone. This is an upgraded version of my previous preview, the Plextone G20. Alright, straight to the course. Let's unbox this. There's some highlights that I need to say. Now let's talk about the spec and the design. Plextone claimed that their engineer cooperates with 500 young players under the age of 22 to study the most popular FPS and MMBA mobile games. Interesting. Is it true? You guys can check them out yourself. It has Plextone V9 Gaming Tuner Gadget, so you can tune your sound for a suitable one that you want to use. It means you can change, you can tune your sound how do you want to prefer. So we got two color, the red one and the black one is already inside here. Yeah, you can open this. So the black gaming tuner gadget is suitable for human voice. Also, it's a gun sound intensifier. The red gaming tuner gadget is used for foot sound intensifier. So the black one is used to hear gun sound better, and the red one is for footstep. If you want to hear the footstep better. So the total weight of this earphone are 3.9 gram. All of it. Is it? Is it all of it? Yeah. 3.9 gram. So it's light. It has anti-interference microphone and wired controller support multi-level tuning. We also have the L-shaped bending insert. If you purchase this earphone, it comes with 1 year warranty. So what's in the box? You get the G25 earphone itself, 3.5mm audio extension cable, computer audio adapter cable, three type of bullet type silicone ear cap with large, medium and small size, one ball type memory ear cotton cap, one clip, and one headphone admission package. It is very nice design. We got the volume button, the microphone itself, and the play button or pick up the call button. So what do you guys think about this earphone? Do you like it? Do you like the design? Tell me your opinion. Comment down below about this earphone. If you love this earphone, well, lucky you. You can get 7% off from my discount code XMOW910 on your checkout. I will put the link and the details on the description down below. Well, that's it from me. Just a quick review about this awesome product. Give it a like if you love this video. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see any updates from me. Share this video if you think this earphone is worth it, or you like to help a friend for those who searching for new, different and unique earphone. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Have a happy new year. Bye. Oh wait, before I end this video, I would like to thanks to all my supporters, all my fans, and all for those who watching this, for those who subscribing my channel and keep returning watching my videos. And if you watch until the end of this video, I would like to say thank you from bottom of my heart, and I would like to give you a present, a New Year gift for you guys. So I would like to give the G20 Game Earphone, the last earphone that I got from Plextone. I want to give away this earphone. All you have to do is click the link down below, and who knows, 1 month from now I will pick a random winner. I hope you guys have a great year. Thanks again for watching. Bye. We got to open this. Oh my god!